Today we are going to present a role play on three important types of applications used in the digital world: native applications, hybrid applications, and web applications. In today's generation, mobile phones and websites have become part of our daily life. From chatting and shopping to learning and entertainment, applications make everything easier. But have you ever wondered how these applications are developed? Some applications are built specially for Android or iOS. Some work on multiple platforms using a single database or code base, and some run directly inside a browser. These are known as native applications, hybrid applications, and web applications. So through this role play, our team will explain what each application type is, how they work, and their advantages, disadvantages, and where they are used in real life. Now let's begin our role play and enter the world of application development.
College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about native, hybrid, and web app. And it would be started by Prasanna.
Hi, I am Prasanna. I am starting about web app. Web app is client server application. The client means it is directly run in a browser, and server means it the business logic and the performance and the process of the backend. In that there is three set of layer in a web app: front end, back end, and database. Front end means the presentation level. The presentation level is developed by HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or the React or the Next.js. It is basically used by the front end level use state value. And the back end. Back end means it used for business logic and the request and the process. And it is developed by Next.js or Python or JavaScript. And the backend level. The backend level, it is used to store the data from a browser, and the whole part of the layer is directly run in a browser. It can be used in a multi-level device like phone, tablet, and desktop. The backend developed by database can be developed by MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and SQL. Thank you.
So my name is Bantu and I'm here to speak about native apps. Native apps is nothing but app that is developed specifically for certain platforms. So the platforms include iOS and Android. There are certain languages that are specifically used to develop the native apps. In Android, they use Kotlin and native Java. And in iOS, they use Swift. So why most of them prefer native apps is that it has a good performance as it is platform specific, and also the advantages of using native apps is that it is faster and more smoother. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Rajguru. I will speak about hybrid apps. Hybrid apps are nothing but cross-platform apps. Cross-platform apps are like apps which would be developed in a single code base, and it would be run in different architectures. For example, it can be run in Android, iOS, macOS, and Linux. Such a platform is that of Flutter. We say Flutter as an example, and React.js is also an example. It is a recent technology that based on a single code base, the multiple platform can be utilized in the performance. And it is not as good as native apps in case of performance, but in case of development and economic barriers, the cross-platform apps are far ahead of native apps. That is how hybrid apps work, and the major platform which is used to develop those apps is that Flutter now. In a recent scenario, Flutter is used widely from the startup companies and MNC companies in developing hybrid apps for the different use cases. And for example, GPay is the actual example of app which is developed using Flutter, which can be run in iOS, Android, and other platforms. It is because it is developed in Flutter. That is an actual example, and thank you all.
In conclusion, native, hybrid, and web applications each play an important role in the modern technology. Native applications provide high performance and better user experience. Hybrid applications offer cross-platform flexibility with lower development cost, and web applications ensure easy accessibility through browsers. Choosing the right type of application depends on factors such as performance, budget and development time, and user requirements. Through this role play, we understood how these applications differ and how they impact our daily digital life. Thank you everyone for your attention. We hope this role play helped you a lot.